recording. Maybe this will clear up the questions on adding a product. So I'll just jump right on in, and here we are on the products page. Let's go ahead and click Add New Product. I'll give my product a name. Again, this long description here, this isn't used in your case, so you can skip that part. I'll go ahead and jump over here to the right. I'll choose category. I'll just choose tops. I'll go ahead and set an image, and I will find out what the ideal image size is, but for now I'll just use the one you uploaded. Set my featured image, and you can add your additional images there, it's no problem. Now the product type, where you have options, it's considered a variable product. So on this drop down, you want to choose variable. Go ahead and enter your SKU number. Now inventory and shipping, you can set all that up in your general settings. I'm not sure how you want to use those parts, but your main question will be the attributes. This is where you can set your sizing and your coloring. Now you can add custom per product, or if you have pretty much the same standard colors, size options available, then you can set them in the actual attributes page, and then they'll be pre-populated like size is. For this demonstration, I'll use a custom product attribute. I'll go ahead and hit add. Let's call this one size, and here you can do small, then you separate with a pipe, medium, large, and you definitely want to click use for variations. This is how it actually builds the options selectable on the website. So click to choose for variations. Go ahead and save on that one. And you can add another one. Here we'll do the color. So let's just say you have black, red, yellow. Again, use for variations. Click Save Attributes. So what this gives you is it gives you this product with these sizes, these colors, and all those can be variations. So the next thing you want to do is set up your variations. So jump on down to variations. I suggest you choose a default, just so when you get to the page something's already selected and it doesn't say choose. So I'll just choose small, black. Again, that's an option. You don't really have to do that. And then you'll want to hit link all variations. Now what this does is, instead of doing each of them manually, this will automatically run, and it'll make a variation with each color, each size. So as you can see here, 9 variations added. Go ahead and click OK. So now as you scroll down, you'll see here's the first option is small black, then you have medium black, then you have large black, and so on. A lot of kind of common. So you can set it all individually down through here. But a great time saver, if your prices are the same, is you'll notice this choose a field to bulk edit. This is very helpful because you can just hit prices, hit go. Let's just say this is a $125. Just hit 125. No decimals in this, so unless you need to do like 125.99, and then hit OK. And what this did is automatically updated all the pricing to the standard price. You can do the same thing for the sell price and all these other options here. So go ahead and hit sell prices. Go. Let's put it on sale for $115. And there's all your variations. You can go ahead and hit publish just to say, well, I'll jump down here and go ahead and give a description. This is the product. And then you can jump up here and hit publish. Okay, now we got it published, so you can jump over to the live site, go to tops, and here you see my recorded product test. You see the price, you can click it. And okay, I didn't save my default option, so I can just jump right to variations. Here's the default again. Small, black, and just hit update. So now when you start the page, you'll go ahead and choose the default settings, and then of course they can change them. So there's your colors, there's your sizes, and then you can add to cart. So that pretty much sums up how you add the variations. It's an important part just to remember to click on the attributes, add each of your attributes, and then when you go to variations, just remember to auto link all variations, unless of course you don't have a large in that color or a medium in a certain color. But still, a quick and easy way is to link them all, and then as you can see here, you can easily remove the ones you no longer have. And then again, the bulk edit just gives you a quick way to change them all at once. So that's pretty much adding a product in a nutshell. Now, if you've got a lot of products to sit and add all at one time, a definite time saver is to duplicate the product instead of starting from scratch, especially if your attributes are more or less the same, because you can just go here, hit duplicate, and it'll bring you directly into a page with that product already duplicated. So you can change your title here, so Eric's Quarter Product 2. If it changes categories, feel free to change. You can change your featured image. It's already set to variable product. Your attributes are already set the same. If you want to edit one, you can click it, change your colors real quick, change your sizes available, variations. You can, if you changed any of those, then you can remove these and relink all variations. Again, using the bulk to change. Set your defaults, change your description real quick, and hit publish, and you're good to go. So when adding multiple products, it's definitely a time saver just to duplicate, because it does save you some time on adding attributes back. Now that it's published, you can jump back over here, go to tops, and then there's the second option we added. And there's options to choose from. You can clear and start fresh, and it just calculates it all. So if it is a different price, it will change the price when they add to cart. Now, what I was telling you about the built-in attributes, if you jump to the attributes page, this would also be a really good time saver. You see the size that's been added. You can click the circle to edit. So build in a small, medium, large. You can add more to that. Add a new size over here. The slug is just basically that little short description. So same thing again. And then if you want to add a new attribute, let's say you use several different color options, you can call it color. The slug again would just be, you can just call that color as well. And even if you add red, yellow, black, green, blue, even if all those attributes aren't available on the product, it's still, you can still jump over to the product. I'll go to edit and jump down to attributes, and those pre-built attributes will show right here. Right now there's just size, so if I click size and click add, it doesn't add all the sizes available. It gives you an option to select them, so you can choose large, go add it, click again, choose medium. If you don't have small, just leave small out. So same thing with colors. If you want to add 10 colors that you may have in stock for all your models, then you can still just choose 3 for that particular product, and just to save you time from typing it out. So I think that should cover pretty much everything you have. You can just check around some other settings. There's not a whole lot you really need to fool with. I mean, you will have to take care of your shipping and if you want online inventory tracking. But I think that'll clear it up for you. And just let me know if you have any questions. And if you do, we can arrange a screen share sometime Monday.